Brother, you've been like one of the pioneers of this movement. Like, matagal na rin staying power most playing overseas. But what can you say about what you've started and what have you continue to cultivate?
Ano naman, siguro I'm just doing my part by growing the game. Share ko lang yung knowledge ko pagdating sa basketball. Kasi siyempre at the end of the day, ang pinaka magiging success ko naman is yung mga buhay na natulungan mo in the end, yung mga careers na natulungan mo maging successful. So hopefully, habang tumatanda ako, mas marami pa akong na-inspire ng mga bata, ng mga future na mga manlalaro, whether man dito sa Pilipinas or sa ibang bansa. So yun lang naman ginagawa ko, just inspire and hopefully maraming matulungan na buhay.
You're gonna be a dad soon. You're gonna lay down your roots pretty sure very soon.
Exciting. Who knows? I have one more year in Yokohama. See where basketball takes me. Whether or not I come back here in the Philippines, play the PBA once again. If my body can still play, and then see another overseas opportunity, whether to stay in Japan and just take it a year at a time. Now that I have one more year, yun muna yung focus ko, magpa-kondisyon tsaka talagang manalo ng championships in Japan.
Last for me, brother, 5 years removed from playing in your hometown, pero you still feel this love?
Of course. The love of the Filipino crowd is different elsewhere in the world. Nothing compares. Lagi natin sinasabi na parang nasa Pilipinas kahit saan ka man maglaro, sa dami ng Pilipinong nanonood tsaka sumusuporta. So masarap maglaro dito, and I appreciate the crowd and the overwhelming support all throughout my career. Kahit 5 taon na nila akong hindi nakikita dito at naglalaro.
Banking on that Keith, alam ko maybe too early, pero what would it mean kung sakaling there will come a time na mapanood ka na sa PBA?
It's gonna mean a lot for me. It's always been a dream of mine to play in the PBA. Right now it was short-lived, suspension, cut it short, the pandemic cut it short, and I had to focus in on my career and live a better future. That's where Japan came in, and very appreciative of that. Hindi ko binabaliwala yun. So ngayon may opportunity, tingnan natin in the future kung gano'n na nga talaga yung sitwasyon na mag-settle down na ako dito.